The second one that we're going to introduce is pulling in the energy. And what you do, of course, again, is go forward with your left foot. Now this is one of these circular ones, so it's basically a reverse platter. If on a platter we're going forward over the left foot with our hands, palms facing down, with the pulling in the energy, we're doing it with our palms facing up. So it's a little bit trickier to kind of get your hands up to the same height. So just come to a place where you feel comfortable. Your hands might be a little bit lower on your chest as far as height goes. And as you go around the platter, very similarly to the original round the platter, the thing that makes it different, aside from the hand position, is that this is the only movement in Tai Chi Chih which brings your attention totally to your fingertips. So here's what you're looking for, is to get the feel of pushing through the heavy air right through the very tips of your fingers as you go forward. So right here. And then as you come back, there is also an engagement through your fingertips. And this engagement is if you're pulling in energy from the, as Justin Stone called it, from the farthest star. So this sense that somewhere there's a connection all the way to the ends of the universe that's coming in through the tips of your fingers. So engaging forward, receiving, coming back. Just like that. We'll go 2 more times, just so you can drop into the feel of it a bit. 1 more. And back. There I go. And then we come to the second side. Foot forward. And now, just like the platters, I'm going to come forward over the weight-bearing or the forward leg. Right? So it's going to be a reverse circle of coming over the right this way. You can see how we can just start to drop into the movement. Do 2 more. Just find the pace that matches with mine so you can really get the feel of joining together in this movement.